Hey there gamers. Today I'm bringing you an exciting review of the Anbernic RG35XX Plus handheld game console. This sleek and powerful device is a must-have for any gaming enthusiast, and I highly recommend you stick around to hear all about it. First of all, let's talk about the design. The transparent black, gray, and white color options are not only stylish, but also give you the freedom to choose the perfect look for your gaming setup. The 3.5" full viewing angle screen with Oka full lamination provides a crystal clear display so you can enjoy your favorite games in stunning detail. But the true power of this console lies within its hardware. The H700 quad-core ARM Cortex A53 CPU and dual-core G31MP2 GPU deliver smooth and responsive gameplay, while the 1 GB of LPDDR4 RAM and 64 GB of microSD storage ensure you have plenty of space for all your favorite titles. Speaking of games, the Anbernic RG35XX Plus supports a wide range of formats, including ported games, PSP, PS1, DC, NDS, arcade, GBA, GBC, GB, SFC, FC, MAME, MD, GG, PCE, NGPC, SMS, WSC, and more. Plus, with support for up to 512 GB of TF card expansion, the possibilities are virtually limitless. Not to mention, the console also boasts a range of additional features, such as high-fidelity speakers, support for 4G wireless and wired controllers, Bluetooth handle connection, HDMI output to TV, and even a vibration motor for added immersion. With a lipolymer battery lasting a whopping 8 hours, you'll never have to worry about running out of juice in the middle of a gaming session. And with 2.45G Wi-Fi 800 2.11 Anbernic and Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity, you can easily stay connected and enjoy online pairing and streaming. In conclusion, the Anbernic RG35XX Plus handheld game console is a powerhouse of gaming potential, offering a seamless and immersive experience for gamers of all kinds. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below and take your gaming to the next level with the Anbernic RG35XX Plus handheld game console. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your gaming experience.